All right, so now you're at the point of your folio where you've analyzed a whole bunch of sources and you've started doing some fun things, and you might be finding that you're just kind of in the groove, doing the same thing over and over, and you're feeling like surely there must be more than this. So, what I want to talk to you about real quick is some different levels of thinking that we want to see in your folio. And what we're hoping is that across your pages and across your different activities, you're actually going to meet these different types of thinking strategies. So, the first one is knowledge type thinking. So, are you getting information? So, for example, what do you know about your topic? Where is the main information? When did it happen? What are the key facts? How would you outline your, understanding? This is the very base of our research. We're getting knowledge. It's the basic stuff. Then we ask you to go a bit further and we ask you to comprehend. My screen's going crazy. We ask you to comprehend information. So, what's similar? What's different? What can we elaborate on? What's the main idea? What could we change? What can we clarify? What's the trend? What else is going on? Are there any problems? This is the kind of thinking we want you to add into your annotations when you're pulling out the key ideas and you're explaining them. Then we ask you, whoa, that doesn't look good. Let's try again. What? Then we ask you to, hang on, let me just see if I can get that back up. Nope, okay, my picture is scrambled. That's okay. Let's try clicking. Nope, okay, look, we're just going to deal with it scrambled because it doesn't matter. When we are thinking about analysis, what we're trying to get you doing is actually thinking about pulling out key ideas and connecting them, actually thinking about why things are happening and how they're happening. Then the next level of thinking is evaluation. What choices can we make about our sources? How do we verify things? What's the value of the information that you're getting? How is it important? Is your opinion changing? Is your understanding changing? These are all the different levels of thinking that we want you to actually employ in your folio. Now, sometimes you're going to be doing that on sources, definitely, but here's a few other ideas that you might like to try to show your thinking in different ways. The first one is analyzing your communications. When you've got email scripts or phone scripts or screenshots of text messages, actually start thinking about what was your purpose for this communication? What was your audience? Why did you use the language you used? Was it successful? Did you actually stuff it up somehow? How could you improve next time? What else could you have done? So analyze the communications. The next one, analyze your interview or survey questions. Why are you asking those questions? What focus question do they link with? How are they going to help you? What are they going to help you learn? What's the purpose of it? Have you changed that question for that particular person? Why? Did you do background research on them to check that they actually can answer that question? How do you know? Let's develop it. So analyze your interview and survey questions as well as your other, like your actual answers. Next, analyze your time management. Is it working? Are you up to date? Evaluate yourself. Is this actually going well? On a scale of 1 to 10, rank your progress. What are you doing to stay on track? Is it working? What else do you need to do? What's changed in your time management? Because I bet your time plan that we made in the end of term 1 when we were all idealistic and thought things were just going to be like week 1, read this book. That's not going to be running the same way anymore. So what is changing is really important for you to document as well and to think about the skills that you're developing as you go along. The lucky last one is actually analyze your key findings. Spend some time to sit down with your main question and your focus question, and just off the top of your head to begin with, write down everything you know about your topic. Then go into your folio and write down everything that you can find about your topic. Do you have enough information? What are the gaps? What is not there? What's the alternative perspective? See what else you can find. All of this can go in your folio and is really good evidence.